Okay, so we're going to be looking at the integration of 1 over x. If we try and integrate 1 over x using our rules and what we know about integration, what we'd try and do is bring up the x up to the top line, up to the numerator, and make it x to the negative 1. But if we try and integrate that, we get x to the 0 over 0 because we add 1 to the power and divide by the new power. But this is impossible because we can't divide anything by 0, it becomes undefined. So we need to think about what differentiates to get 1 over x, and the answer is ln of x. So when we're integrating 1 over x, we end up with ln of x plus c. Look at a couple of examples. So here, x to the power of 1 is on the bottom of both of them. Okay, so that would indicate that we're going to get an ln as our integral, as our answer. So for the first one, we've got 1 over 3x. So you can pull a third out the front, okay, and we've still got 1 over x left that we're going to integrate. The third is just a coefficient. Coefficients just stay the same, so you can just pull the third out like that. And 1 over x becomes ln of x, so we get 1/3 ln of x plus c. This one is also an ln of x answer because we've got x to the power of 1 on the bottom line. This one's interesting though because you've got negative 3 with the x. And this negative 3 essentially gets pulled out the front as well. It's almost like you're differentiating negative 3x to get the negative 3. And because it's on the bottom line, that's why it ends up on the bottom here. So the 5 comes out the front first, that's a coefficient. So it's just pulled out the front. We've got 1 over 8 minus 3x. It's going to be ln of what's on the bottom, so the 8 minus 3x. And because of the minus 3x, as I was saying before, the negative 3 comes out the front. But because it's on the bottom, it stays on the bottom. And 5 times 1 over negative 3 is negative 5/3 when we simplify it. So we end up with negative 5/3 ln of 8 minus 3x plus c.